Now I will draw the top view of this. Okay, so in the top view, what you will see, you can see in this top view, so you will be seeing this dimension 40 mm and this 50. Okay, 50 and 40, so it will be 50 by 40 a block. Then I will be drawing whatever is inside it. So it will be 50 by 40. You draw the projector lines first. You can join these projector lines first, vertical lines. Okay, so I will, yes, so I will draw the vertical projectors throughout. Now I will take this, now you can see this, here you can see it is 40 by 50 block. 50 is the length and 40 is the depth. So 50 will automatically come, so it is 50 here as well. In the front view it will automatically come. So you can take 10 mm again away from this XY. So this is 10 mm away from the XY, so it is going to be 50 mm. Okay, and then 40 towards this depth. Okay, so it will be 40 by 50 block. Okay, and this is also 40. Okay, and you can join this 40 by 40 block. Okay, now what is inside it, we have to draw what is inside it, what will be inside it. Now you can see here, so in the top view what you will see, this is a rectangle, you can see this, and then there is this rectangle you will be able to see. So first I will draw this rectangle. So this is, from here you can draw. Okay, so this rectangle is visible, and then this inside box is it is again rectangle. It is 15 by 20, 15 by 20, and it is at the middle. So 40, and this depth is 40 mm, so it is middle will be at the 20. Okay, I will first find out the middle. So this is 40 and middle is this one, 20. Okay, so now this is 20, and 15 mm means 7.5 above and 7 point below of this. Okay, 7.5 above and 7.5 below of this. So I will draw this 7.5 above this center and 7.5 below this. So this will make it 15. Okay, this will make it 15. Then I will simply join this. It is 20 already. Okay, so this I think this will complete your view. I think this will complete your view. I think nothing is left now. Everything is okay. Now I will do the dimensioning only. Okay, I will do the dimensioning now. Now here I have used this unidirectional system of dimensioning. Here you can see I have used unidirectional. So dimensions are given, say 40, this 50 is the length, 40 is the height, and 40 is the depth. Then 20, 15 is there, 10 is there. So all the dimensions are now there. Okay, I hope you understood it, and thank you. You can do it this way as well. Okay, so you can do it this way as well, dimensioning as per the unidirectional as well. Now you can place X and Y. You can place X and Y, then you can place this front view and the top view. Okay, so this is the front view and top. I hope you understood it. Thank you.